Hey everyone, and welcome to Excel Like a Boss. My name is Brian, and I have been teaching people about Windows and Microsoft Office for over 15 years. Plus, I have a sporting Kansas City jersey on, and if you decide to take the class, you'll find out very quickly why that is the case. This course was designed to help you get started with a career in data analytics. Let me show you what I mean. There are, of course, lots of places that offer similar curriculums, but this is a university close to where I live, and it offers a crash course in data analytics. If you look very quickly at the curriculum, you'll notice the first module is an Excel crash course. And the Excel crash course gets into things like VBA script and statistics modeling. Well, this course, the one you're considering, will give you a leg up in a data analytics type of a bootcamp program because it'll teach you the foundations of Excel so you're not overwhelmed with even taking those first few steps. So how we'll do that is in the first part of the course, it very simply maps to the objectives of the 77727 certification exam for Microsoft. So in this section of the course, we will learn how to manage data. We will look at building formulas and functions in our cells, and we will also create charts and other objects from the information that is in our spreadsheets. In the second part of this course, all of the objectives map to the 728 certification exam. So here we will look at data validation, we will be configuring some simple macros, and we will then build on the skills in the 727 course and do some advanced functions and charts and things like that. Now, in addition to the content, the team here at Like a Boss supports all the classes we teach. So that means you can send us a question anytime something comes up while you're taking the class or after you're done taking the class. Plus, you get a free downloadable shortcut guide. And best of all, the course comes with a certification guarantee, which is this. If you complete this course, then take the certification test and don't pass, we will pay for the retake of the exam. It's that simple, no questions asked. So if you've ever been curious about starting with Microsoft Excel, starting that career in data analytics or a business analyst, and you don't quite know where to start, then I think you've found the right course. Enroll now, and we'll see you inside.